Hi, I'm Avishar. This is my mom, Joya. Today, we're going to be making Bharta.
Baingan Bharta.
Baingan Bharta. What does Baingan Bharta mean?
Baingan means eggplant and Bharta means mashed.
We don't have a stove today, Mom.
So how are we going to burn then?
Have you ever used a blowtorch before?
No.
You taught me how to cook. Now it's my turn to teach you how to use a torch.
Okay, I'm ready.
Just like the stove, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to push it. I'm going to burn the eggplant. See how much faster that is to the stove? We have one burnt eggplant. Now you have to make one. Easy, right? Wow, that was so fast.
Hey, I did it!
How do you know it's done? It's tender on the inside?
Tender inside, yeah.
Perfect. Let's make it spicy. Wow, you're an expert now. This one is more powerful. Do you want to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that one.
It's much
faster. Yeah. We have toasted our eggplant and peeled the skin yet.
Yes.
And we toasted our chili here. Do you think we need to add any dried chilies?
Yeah, why not?
And you're using salt now to mash the
chili. Now we are going to make a bharta mash, and I'm going to put the onion. Now we're going to put cilantro. Main ingredient, mustard oil.
Mustard oil.
Sorshet tel.
Okay.
Baingan bharta is done.
Baingan Bharta is done.